Long hair is a great classic and versatile look. Getting super long hair isn't always doable and depends on the length of your hair growth cycle, which has three phases: growing, resting, and shedding. If you have a short growth phase, you may not be able to grow your hair longer than 6 to 12 inches. With a little care, however, you can encourage your hair to grow longer. In this video, we are going to tell you how to grow your hair super fast naturally. This video has three sections. Number 1, avoiding mistakes. Number 2, changing hair care routine. Number 3, healthy diet to promote hair growth. Watch this video till end for better understanding. Let's start quickly. Avoid tight hairstyles and teasing. Certain hairstyles pull on your roots and can actually slow hair growth. Hairstyles that pull on your scalp like cornrows, braids, and high ponytails can also cause hair breakage. Teasing also pulls on your roots and wreaks havoc on your ends. Avoid blow drying your hair. Applying unnecessary heat to already damaged hair will only lead to further breakage. Instead of blow drying your hair, let it air dry. Always use a heat protectant when blow drying your hair. Limit use of curling irons or flat irons. Like blow drying, curling or straightening already damaged hair will only result in additional damage. If you do curl or straighten your hair, don't blow dry your hair before styling it. Let it air dry instead. Use a curling iron or flat iron that shows you the temperature of the barrel or plates. Turn the tools to the lowest heat possible. Use a silk pillowcase. Your hair can catch on the threads of a cotton pillowcase. A silk pillowcase reduces this friction, thus reducing breakage. Wrapping your head in a silk scarf could be used as an alternative to the silk pillowcase. Avoid wrapping your hair in a towel. Wrapping your hair in a towel on top of your head after a shower can also cause breakage. Instead, gently squeeze or blot excess water out of your hair. You may also consider using a microfiber towel to wrap your hair since these are gentler than regular cotton towels. Brush your hair gently. Use a brush with natural boar bristles. Brush your hair from the tips and move upward to detangle your dry hair. Work out tangles slowly and never tear or pull at your hair when brushing. If you have it on hand, apply some kind of hair protectant prior to brushing to minimize split ends. Don't brush wet hair or you may cause hair strands to break. Massage your scalp daily. Use the tips of your fingers to make gentle circular motions to give your scalp a soothing massage. This increases blood flow to the scalp, resulting in hair follicles growing faster. A good time to do a scalp massage is in the shower while you are shampooing your hair. Apply a few drops of hair oil to your scalp to prevent too much tugging on your hair. Shampoo only 1 or 2 times a week. Shampooing every day can dry out your hair, which can slow down hair growth. Shampooing once or twice a week should be adequate to keep your hair clean. On other days, simply rinse your hair with water and then apply conditioner. If your hair feels dirty during the week, use a dry shampoo instead of shampooing your hair when it's wet. Condition your hair each time you shampoo it. Conditioner replenishes oils and moisture lost during the shampooing process. Never neglect applying a quality conditioner to your hair the days you shampoo. It's vital to replenish your hair to keep it strong, which promotes growth. In addition to your normal conditioning, try doing a deep conditioning treatment or hair mask once a week. This will add extra shine and strength to your hair. Rotate the placement of your ponytail. If you pull your hair back daily, do not place your ponytail in the same spot each day. This can wear down the strands, slowing the growth of your hair. Pull your hair back in a slightly different spot each day by shifting it up or down on your head. To prevent breakage, only use cloth-covered elastic bands. Don't use rubber band. Avoid putting your hair up while it is still wet. Eat a hair-healthy diet to encourage growth. To get the most from your hair, you need to nourish it properly and drink plenty of water. Aim for a diet that targets protein. Lean proteins should make up about 15% to 25% of your daily calories. Also, eat plenty of leafy green vegetables and increase your water intake as well. Feed your strands iron-rich foods like spinach, beans, and moderate amounts of lean red meat. Additionally, your hair benefits from increased iron, omega-3, zinc, and biotin intake. Whole grains, oysters, peanut butter, and seeds are all good sources of zinc. Add more fruits and vegetables to your diet. They contain vitamin A, C, and E, all of which may help maintain scalp and hair health. Vitamin C can be especially helpful if you have hair loss due to iron deficiency, since vitamin C helps your body absorb iron. Eggs, meats, nuts, seeds, salmon, dairy, and avocado are all rich in hair-healthy biotin. Salmon, flax, chia seeds, and walnut are all high in omega-3 fatty acids. Hydrate yourself. Strive to drink water with every meal, carry a water bottle with you throughout the day, and stop by water fountains whenever you see them. Avoid drinking other beverages like juice or soda with meals. The more water you drink, the faster your hair will grow. Minimize your stress. High stress levels harm your overall health. This can result in slower hair growth or even hair loss. Find ways to reduce stress in your life. This was all for now. Like this video and hit the subscribe button to encourage us to bring more useful content for you. Share your experiences, reviews, and questions in the comment section below. You can follow us on social media and don't forget to check our community posts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.